In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, ensuring the reliable operation and security of power grids is crucial. The uniqueness of each related project leads to specific challenges that impact sustainability, efficiency, and project duration. The key lies in strategic blend of standardization and modularization. The Multipurpose Automation Box, MAB. With the Multipurpose Automation Box, we combine our innovative and reliable products into efficient and tailor-made solutions, fully assembled, pre-wired, ready for installation. The benefits are clear: shorter project duration and faster return on investment. And all this with a harmonious balance between functionality and sustainability. This makes the Multipurpose Automation Box a versatile gateway to our cutting-edge applications. The Multipurpose Automation Box, the automation game changer.